Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Well, it's been over a month since I've gotten the Prusa XL with the 5 heads, and now I finally have it working. I had a big help and assistance from my good friend Chris Riley. He came over last night and helped me get one major thing fixed. But I had a problem with one of the tool heads where it mounts in the back. It was stripped. I think I put a video out on that. That's probably my last video. It's been a tough couple weeks, but I got it okay from Prusa to pack the one up, send it back, and they sent me a new one. And I still had trouble with the first slot, but Chris helped me with that, and we got it working. So I finished up the calibration today, and I'll give Prusa a lot of credit. It's quite a bunch of software they've got on how to calibrate this. It leads you through it. Both on the printer itself, and they've got a good website set up to calibrate each head, the bed, all kinds of different things. But it took about 4 hours to do all the calibrations. And I've got 5 colors loaded. I'm just trying to do, I think, a single color print right now. But the reason I said it was a tough week, I had, out of all my printers, I had 4 printers and only 2 of them were working. So I've got at least this one working now, and I think one of the bamboos. I'm trying to print on that right now. Ah, good. So I had to change the head on it. And I've got this one I'm waiting for a new head too. I've got to put it on. But been mostly concentrating on getting this Prusa going. I'm going to have some surgery on Monday, so I want to get all this taken care of before then. Probably out of commission for about the rest of the year. Not too many weeks, but anyway, I want to get this going here, and I really appreciate Chris helping me. He's just such a Prusa expert, and he's an expert on everything. But I really want to congratulate him for helping me, and he's been a good friend. But if you have any questions on this, let me know. I wish I would have had my GoPro charged, but I had to use my phone. So next thing is then try to do some multicolor prints. But I'm really happy right now I've got this thing actually working. So thanks for watching.